In this video, I will show you how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. This is a very quick and easy process, but before we continue, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. Now, to go ahead and turn off read receipts, what you're going to want to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone. Once you've done that on your settings, what you want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom and press onto apps. Then what you need to do is search for your Messages app. So this is in alphabetical order. So you try and scroll through until you get to M. You can see Messages here. Alternatively, there is a search box at the top. So you can just simply type Messages into the search box and then press onto Messages. Now, once you're in your Messages app, what you want to do is scroll down, and just a bit down the page, you're going to see an option for Read Receipts. Now, to go ahead and turn this off, all you need to do is go ahead and turn the switch off, just like so. As you can see by having Read Receipts on, when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So by turning this off, people will no longer be notified when you have read their messages. So that is how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.